Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to LRG Solar, the no bullshit solar company based in the Western Cape. So on the table today we've got the Huanyu 5.12 kilowatt hour LiFePO4 battery. It's one that intrigues me because the look and feel is exactly the same as the Oliter battery. In my opinion, it's exactly the same battery. For those of you who are familiar with Oliter, excellent quality battery. Excellent 6,000 cycle warranty. I really feel that as a 10-year solution, one of the best batteries to compete with. I'm excited to get into it and to see what it looks like, as I'm sure you are. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get this box open and let's see if the look and feel is in fact exactly the same, which I believe it is. Let's see. Mounting bracket, as most wall-mounted batteries nowadays do come with their own brackets pre-supplied, and you no longer need to go and buy those ugly builder's brackets to mount it against the wall. What a stunning battery. So we are going to take it out of the box and then we'll be back. It's a bit heavy for one guy to lift. There we go guys, so the battery is out of the box. In fact, has some nice handles on the side that does assist with lifting. I think those will be especially helpful when one has to put it onto the bracket. If you have a look on the back of the battery, the mounting plates are in fact pre-fitted to the battery itself, similar to Oliter. So this does seem to be an Oliter battery with a rebrand to Huanyu. Zoom in on this little plate over here, you'll see a few of the specifications. Fantastic specification sheet for such a small little battery. Beautiful piece of kit. Absolutely beautiful. The finished product, look and feel, the aluminium body, truly a good looking battery. When paired with the Sinotech inverter range, you in fact have a 10-year warranty on both the battery as well as the inverter, making this one of the most affordable 10-year warranty solutions, and of course available from LRG Solar to everybody in the Western Cape, as we are one of the leading distributors of Huanyu in the area.
Here we go.